All right, welcome back. We are out on the patio this morning with KUSI auto expert Dave Stahl. Good morning, sir. Happy Saturday.
Good morning, and how are you?
I'm doing great. I like the color of this car. What is it?
Well, this is the Subaru Crosstrek, and the color on this one is Alpine Green. And I've asked a lot of people what they think of the gold accent to the...
I think it adds to it.
I do too.
I don't mind it.
No, I don't mind it either. I actually interviewed one of the guys from Subaru yesterday just to enhance the segment. Plus, we're going to put it on radio this Sunday. But, you know, Subaru's always been such an eclectic car. You know, if you're an off-roader, only certain people drove them. But Subaru has really walked into today's society. Look at the seating. Look how they do a color matching to the outside to the inside. Still runs the same boxer motor. It's a flat engine, no supercharger or anything like that.
Look how big this screen is in there.
I know. 33 miles per gallon. I know. Just kind of reminds you of a Tesla. Super comfortable. They put so much work and effort into these seats. You could drive all the way across country and come back with no backache, no complaints whatsoever. This roof rack is so versatile, you know, for off-roaders and campers and things. You know, this thing will, you know, you can go to the Subaru dealer and accessorize it.
Let's see what the back seat looks like.
Back seat's same thing, and look how far this door opens up. You know, if you had a baby seat and you had to put a car seat and you'd have to put that in there, you know, a lot of times your car doors only open like that, and that could be a real problem, but not with this. And then, of course, going all the way to the back.
Yeah, how many golf bags can you fit back here?
In my
always
world,
the number one question in my family.
In my world, none, because I don't golf. But I mean,
you can fit two.
I think you could get two, maybe three.
Two, maybe three.
Are you allowed to stack them? I don't know.
Yeah.
It doesn't hurt them. All right. And look what they did. I mean, they could have just put a rubber mat, right? So it's that little attention to detail. But you know, when you're dealing with a Subaru customer, they're pretty demanding on what they want. I mean, this thing's got plenty of get up and go. It's got plenty of power. It's got all the safety features you could ever want on this car. But the cool thing about it is the driving. 33 miles per gallon on the freeway.
That's great.
That's almost hybrid mileage.
So what is this trim? Because I imagine that there's a trim that's up from this because this one doesn't have leather seats.
This is the Sport. And then this is a new color, I think, for this year. And that's the other thing, too. You go online, and you can pretty much, you know, build whatever you want color-wise. So I think I like it. It's got 18-inch tires and wheels. It's got plenty of ground clearance. You know, if you were going to go off-road with it, I mean, you're probably not going to go on the sand dunes. But, I mean, you know, if you're going on backcountry roads, fire roads.
Yeah. So the backup camera, but is it 360 with how big that screen is in there?
Yeah, well, it doesn't do a back. That was the only thing I was a little surprised. The other thing it has is a phone charger that you can turn on and off. And Starlink will hook you up to all your Android Auto, and then once you hit this, I mean, so you've got everything you want: radio, media, phone, and then of course when you put it in reverse, it's kind of a small screen, but it's a nice screen. I mean, you can see everything.
It works. You can see.
That's the main thing.
So what do these go for, Dave?
Believe it or not, this one bases out at $28,995. This one tested at $32,605, which really, you know, it's pretty hard to get a vehicle below 30. And then you just look. You know, that's what I tell people when you look at this thing. You look and see what could you live without. You know, and if you could live without the premium paint, which is what this is, that's $395, and the blind spot detection and rear cross traffic for $2,000. If you could live without that, you can get into this thing for under 30 grand.
All right, looks like a pretty good steal to me.
And your 80-pound dog would fit.
Yes, he would.
If you could get him up in it.
Yeah, he's got hops. We're good. All right, we'll be right back with more Good Morning San Diego.